Autonomous space robots. Autonomous space robots, also known as rovers, are robotic vehicles designed to operate on other celestial bodies, such as the Moon or Mars. These robots are capable of operating without direct human control, and they are equipped with a variety of sensors, cameras, and other instruments that allow them to navigate, collect data, and perform a variety of tasks on the surface of these celestial bodies. Autonomous space robots have played a crucial role in space exploration, providing valuable information about the surfaces and environments of other planets. For example, the NASA Mars rovers Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity have been exploring the planet's surface for many years, sending back valuable data and images to help scientists better understand Mars's geology, atmosphere, and potential for supporting life. One of the key advantages of autonomous space robots is their ability to operate in environments that are hostile or inhospitable for humans. For example, the Mars rovers have been able to explore areas of the planet that are too cold or too remote for human exploration, providing valuable data and insights that would not be possible otherwise. Another advantage of autonomous space robots is their ability to operate for long periods of time without the need for direct human control. This allows them to cover large areas of the planet's surface, collecting data and performing tasks for an extended period of time. In some cases, these robots have been able to operate for years on end, far longer than any human mission would be able to last. Overall, autonomous space robots are an important part of space exploration, providing valuable data and insights that would not be possible without them.